How to lock the element in VN Video Editor. Locking elements helps avoid accidental changes, and let's see how to do it in VN Video Editor. First, tap the layer you want to lock on the timeline. Then tap the lock icon usually found at the top or side of the editing interface. Once locked, the element can't be moved or edited until you unlock it by tapping the lock icon again. Lock your background layers first to focus on editing the main clips. Have you ever accidentally moved an element? Share your experience in the comments below. And that's how you can lock the element in VN Video Editor. It's super quick and easy. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.